Hey guys, Julie Willits here from juliewillits.com. Glad to have you here, and today I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing for beginners. So what is an affiliate marketer? Well, an affiliate marketer or an affiliate is someone that actually is part or officially part of a larger company or entity. And an affiliate marketer is someone that actually represents the company and markets for them and sells their particular products and earns a commission from it. So why would you want to try and do some affiliate marketing? Well, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel below. Just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notifications when I upload a new video. So why would someone want to be an affiliate marketer? Well, usually an affiliate marketer would be someone that actually takes a product that a larger company owns, and then they would sell their products for them, and the affiliate marketer would make a commission from that. But they don't have to create any products. They do not have to package, ship anything. They don't have to pay for all that. What they do is actually do the marketing part. And the marketing part would be anything from your Facebook strategies, your YouTube strategies, your Instagram strategies, all those different types of things, or using paid traffic to send this information and let people know what you're selling. And then if they are interested, then they will buy from you because you have a link that is actually coded to you, given to you from the company. And then once they buy through you, you receive a commission. The company actually collects all the money, and then they pay it out to you accordingly, depending on the price of the product, and the commission amount that you would make on each product. And there are many free ways that people can actually become an affiliate marketer. Number one would be Amazon, one of the largest retailers out there. They have an affiliate program. Number two would be Walmart. Who would think that Walmart would pay people commissions to actually sell the stuff that they have in their stores? And there's stuff like Best Buy. Then we also have a site called JVZoo, where people actually put their own products on there. They put it on a site which is called JVZoo, and then you can actually join for free, and then you can find a product that you actually want to market and sell to earn a commission. And the other one is ClickBank. They actually list products on their site, and you find one that you could resonate with, that you think you could market, and the sellers or owners of that product then actually pay you a commission. So I hope this helps you in understanding what an affiliate is and what affiliate marketers do. So I will put some links in the description to actually show you what I do, and I will see you on the next video. All right, bye now.